fuck with me, cause you think that me a normal blood clot girl if you play with. Me definitely go kill a blood clot. And that knife you go put in your blood clot stomach. Me say that knife you go put in your stomach. Go down. Come out. Come out. Yeah. Me ring me knife in your blood clot. Yeah. Oh yeah, come. Like you don't know say all you know say you up on the big trouble can blood clot if you come at people yard. Me not call no police. Make him come out. Cause this me I put in him this year. Pure tap me a give me a blood clot, Billy. Pure tap. Yeah, run a come and address me their address. Come out now. When the time same find apartment. Tell him somebody out the door. I stand up and me a wait for you, Sean. Me the outside and me a wait for you. So anybody will have the live here, we no call Shay and we no share the live. Cause the war is on. The war is on. Me say a pure blood clot stab me a give. Pure stab me a give. Me say the war is on, a blood clot. Come out. Come out. The war is on, so me I beg you come out. Cause me say a pure stab. Me a give you stab. Me no want no laughing matter for this kind of thing. Say I'm laughing and joking. Me no you no chatting a blood clot. Me no in no chattings. I mean, I be careful. I say a pure stab. Me just come in. Me never there. I dinner. Me go up on my man. Me go up on dinner. So we are gonna come at me yard for when me come out when me depend dinner. Where big stinking dirty Latina give me address for. Wait till I box she I go say something. She better not pass no way yes so. Or pass no near Long Street where she live. You hear? Watch. Me and wait dirty Sean come out. Me and wait. I say, I want your blood clot come out. I say, no. I want she come out. I want she come like come reach from yard now. Come back. No one dirty batty man come from Amsterdam. I don't know how she find me address in a Latina give the address call Latina no say me live here so. So Latina give the address, no one call Latina and he ask Latina for the address and Latina give the address. But me never there. I didn't have a blood clot go pan seat here. Dinner me there, the guys. Look. Dinner me there, pan. And Shay post in video and Shay post it. But watch not a Belgium. She there. I go say something tomorrow. See there, I dinner me there, pan. Dinner, I dinner me blood clot there. Me never there, yeah. Cause I know me there, me da burn up Sean. I'm gonna stab up Sean with my long knife. Pure stab me against Sean in them face. Stab. Me na ask Christ. Me say me out the door. Like come reach home, come out. Oh, come out. Can me reach home? So me I beg you come out. Come out. Fucking out harder. Come. Hey, me care if they want blood clot lock me up. Me want know me kill blood clot somebody. Me care if they want lock me up. Me want know me analyze somebody. Me care if they want blood clot lock me up. Me give a fuck. Come back. Anka. You see, tomorrow, me love, me I report Sean and me I report Sean King. Try and say two of them I get report and me I lock them up. Cause if you think Belgium stronger than Switzerland, remember them no warrior so. Me I lock up Sean and me I lock up Shay. Me not tie up no blood clot. You're telling me say come up, me have a long knife, I wait for him long son of blood clot. Cause me say I swear upon father. It's like when me stab up blood, when me dash the aisle for Latina, and so me I go do your blood clot. Come back, me and wait, can I watch you live. Come out, Sean. Cause first and foremost, you watch me there on my live and you watch me come out gone. So why you wait till me come out gone? We never wait till me blood clot come. Why you never wait till me? You wait till me gone. Why you never blood clot wait till me come? Cause you swear me gone, you know. I see you swear me gone, you know. You swear me gone, no, cause any day, me not ask Christ. Me not ask Christ, me not fuck up your blood clot. Me not fuck up you. Me not fuck up you, me not afraid to fuck up you, me I tell her that. And 2 times me got Latina, I go beat out her blood clot. Me say, come out, me I wait for you. Come out. Me not left until you come out. And me I saw me never guess I wait for your blood clot. This a long no blood clot. I want long knife this. This a knife, you want long knife. Yeah, now your belly me a push you. Come out. I don't know which girl blood clot for you. I don't know who further blood clot you. Me say if you come out.